Hey, taking the chance here. Just for my viewers, taking the chance. That's some big hail. And that's my new car. Oh! That's my new car. Woo. Unbelievable. Like, look at it bouncing in the water. Our street, our drains are not keeping up. The sound that you're hearing is the rain hitting the hail hitting the rain pipes. I'm seeing some massive hail down inside here. We're talking probably almost loony size. I don't know, it seems to slow down then pick right back up again. Look at that sewer right at the street light. I don't have my zoom on, but the sewer is directly in line with that green street light, and it is literally not keeping up. There you go, water drop that's on the camera. We're gonna wipe them off. Let's go. Okay, it can stop anytime. Coming off the rain pipe, look at this. Nothing but hail. Whoa. And it picks up. at this street. Oh, my poor car. Oh! Ooh. Oh, is it cold out now? The temperature's probably dropped a good 5 degrees Celsius.